Hey, wild weather for liveweatherblogs.com, and we're going to start off with the tropical up here with a look at the water vapor map. Very impressive water vapor map. Here's Danielle, here's Earl, and here's soon to be Fiona, all moving off to well, Earl is moving off more to the west. Fiona following the footsteps of Earl, and Danielle's moving northwest and making that turn to the north really soon. Here's that trough that's going to pick up Danielle. You can clearly see it here, and I'll let it will go. Big high pressure system building off to the northeast here. This is our next with a very dry air aloft. Believe it or not, this area here, along with this trough, is really be protecting the east coast from any tropical systems in the near future coming to affect the United States. Danielle we will be protected by this high pressure, and this trough Danielle will be protected from, and Earl will probably come out this way. Now, Earl is more of a threat to Bermuda this time around, whereas Daniel's missing Bermuda probably by about 480 miles to the east. Later down the road, we may need to watch what may become Fiona down the road, but that's really out there. The Euro is showing Fiona right in this position here, which is problematic if it were to turn north, and some of the models were suggesting that. It's so far out that we need to take these one at a time, and Earl is really not too much of a worry for the United States East Coast, but makes it very close here on the northeastern Rhode Islands. Fiona down the road could probably be a problem. We'll wait and see. Here is a look at tropical Hurricane Danielle. Hurricane Danielle is a quite an impressive feature here with the incredible looking eye with 135 mile per hour winds moving northwest at 9. This is a well organized machine here right now. So off to the northwest it goes. Here's Bermuda up here. So you can see we're going to be missed Bermuda probably by about 425 to 480 miles. The storm will come up in this general fashion and then quick turn to the right. Here's Earl. Earl not looking nearly as tense and as impressive as Danielle. A little sheer from the northeast maybe now. Here's the circulation. Looks like it may be moving a little west of southwest or south of west here. Maybe a little west southwest. And then here's what will probably be Fiona 97L right behind it. Talking about Earl, here's the computer tracks for Earl. Gets really pretty close here to the northeastern Leeward Islands, and then this tropical system as well is forecast to make a turn to the right. But this time Bermuda may be in the impact zone. Remember, the stronger side of a hurricane is on the northeast quadrant, and if you're looking to go to Bermuda next week, you definitely want to keep an eye on Earl. It's projected to become a major hurricane, and here it is going to be passing just west of Bermuda, and it'll be on the strong side, and chances are this will be a much more higher impact than, say, Danielle was, and more rip current waves will propagate toward the coast, especially the east-southeast facing beaches of the northeast and mid-Atlantic, and down here on the southeast coast. I'm going to look at the this current surface map, or predicted surface map. Here's wave, will be Fiona, another pretty good wave behind it. This will probably become Fiona probably by about, I'd say Sunday or Monday. Here's Earl heading in this general direction, and Dan moving up and out in front of this trough. A very strong area of high pressure in the mid-Atlantic here is going to really protect the entire East Coast from both Danielle and probably Earl. Too early to tell whether it's going to protect the East Coast from Fiona, as the maybe by then the pattern may be shifting a little bit. The satellite. Alright, here's Danielle, very impressive, and here's what will probably be Fiona in the next 48 hours. And another impressive wave right here, kind of lost some of its punch. We'll see what happens to that. Very strong low pressure area up here, and here comes that trough. This trough is going to pick up Danielle. Trough will pick up Danielle and swing it. Get close to the Azores. Here up in here is your Titanic expedition, and we'll see what happens. In the Gulf of Mexico, stalled out boundary. You always want to watch these stalled out boundaries this time of the year of development, and low pressure is forming there. More of a mid-latitude low pressure, but we'll watch that area as well. That's all I have for you right now at this time. Thanks you for watching the tropical update, and everyone have a great night. This is Wild Weather for liveweatherblogs.com.